great day today. My name is Pamela. If you're new here to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, and if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. So today's video is something I have been struggling to get motivated to do, and it is to clean my craft room. This room serves as craft room, office, kind of like I was using it for a while to get ready in the morning to put on my makeup and stuff, but then I had an extended house guest that was here for about 2 or 3 months, and so I moved all my makeup stuff back into my bedroom, and I just have not moved myself back into this room yet. I've just kind of been tossing stuff in here that I buy, craft things and stuff like that, and it's gotten completely out of control. So this might end up being a 2-part video. I'm not really sure. It depends on how long it takes to get it organized, because it is a mess, and I really need to get the drawers going and get things organized, and I think that's going to take quite a bit of time to do. So anyway, let's get into the cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and have a great day. Thanks again for watching. Alright, here is an overview of the room before I even get started cleaning on it. As you can see, I've got Christmas decorations, I've got photos, I've got things still in bags that I've purchased, and I've just been tossing stuff in here because life is just crazy busy right now. So hopefully I can get this mess under control so I can start using this room again, because I haven't even been using it with it being so messy. Okay, I'm going to give you guys an idea of where I'm at right now. You saw the huge mess that I had going on before, and I've got a lot of it put away. The things that I have here, like this is a photo project. I'm trying to get all my photos organized for my kids, like into albums of their dance pictures and their sports pictures and everything, so they have those. And then right here I just have some projects, some DIY things that I'm going to be doing, like this lamp I made a really long time ago, and I'm going to try to redo it with a mason jar. And then this is a project that I started that I need to finish. I want to put this on here. And then this Christmas bowl, it's a wooden Christmas bowl, and I've had it for a really long time. And I'm kind of thinking about painting it white and distressing it a little bit and putting it in my kitchen. So this is what everything looks like right now. I've got my heat press right there. I've got my desk cleaned off really good. And I don't know if you guys saw, like I have these stackable drawers underneath my desk that were in the closet for my daughter when she lived at home. So I have floral stuff in there, ribbon, things for making wreaths. And I've got my printer, and I've got my Cricut here. And then I have this cube organizer over here. I don't know if maybe you can see it better from this side. But the desk and the cube organizer connect together, and they came from IKEA, and I just love this setup. It gives me so much extra storage and a place to work on my crafts. So I don't know if I'm gonna get a whole lot more done today, because I don't know if you could tell in the video I was feeling so overwhelmed with everything in here that was going on. So I'm going to try to keep working on it. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I think that is going to be everything for today's video. I don't think I'm going to tackle the photo project. That is a huge project. I have everything separated for that, but I'm just going to leave it sitting out on the bed for right now. For the most part, I've got the room cleaned up where I can at least get in here and it can be a little bit functional, and I can work on some things that I've been wanting to work on. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching.